Alright, let's see here, it's, what's that, 20 past 1 in the morning. Here we go, back under here, at our gear position sensor and linkage, right there, nicely held in place with a pair of vice grips. Come down here, hit our pressure and our valves. The actuator mounted just nicely down there. You can see it's pretty much a straight run straight through the motor. Up here we've got just a few LEDs to show us what gear we're in. So now if I push this button, shift up. Oops, wrong way around. Never mind, I'll fix it. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, wait, hang on, something like that, and back down again. Bit of a glitch there. View from down here. The end there.